welcome or welcome back. Today we're digging into KarenBags.com, a site claiming to sell high-end handcrafted leather bags at major discounts. But is it a hidden gem or just another scam? Let's find out. Quick disclaimer, this video is based on research and personal opinion. KarenBags.com looks sleek and professional. It markets itself as offering premium leather bags, sometimes with closure sale prices that seem too good to pass up. On Trustpilot, the site has a 3.5-star rating from around 400 reviews. That sounds okay until you dig deeper. The positive reviews talk about buttery soft leather and fast shipping, but many users suspect these are fake or bot generated. The negative reviews tell a much different story. Bags arrive in plastic packaging, not luxury boxes. Multiple customers say the material is cheap plastic, not real leather. The company is actually based in China, which isn't disclosed until after purchase. Some say the phone number is fake and customer support is non existent. Several people said they felt scammed and had to dispute the charge with their credit card companies. Is KarenBags.com legit? Based on what we've seen, this site shows all the sign of a low-quality dropshipping scam, misleading photos, fake reviews, and poor product quality. If you are thinking of buying, don't. It's just not worth the risk. Have you had an experience with Karen Bags or a similar site? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay sharp when shopping online. See you in the next one.